Yes.
I have to wait for the microphone. Oh, wait, somebody else.
מה העניינים?
אוקיי, עכשיו בעברית כמה דקות לפני שתעבור לאנגלית. איך זה עכשיו שכבר זכית?
זה שוקינג, רציני. התחלה זה נראה כמו חתונה אחת גדולה, אבל אז פתאום צ'אק, כשאתה עולה הבמה עם כל האנשים האלה, אז אתה די בשוק.
איך זה להיות באולם עם כל הסלבריטיז האלה?
לא יודע, לא ראיתי אותם, ראיתי רק את אשתי, ושמו אותנו בסוף, תאמין לי, לא היה שם אף סלבריטי. ישבנו מאחורה.
Sorry, Vlad.
Yes.
Your film is totally amazing. Does it change the impact of it, what's going on now? And will you ever, in your lifetime, be able to make a film about peace in Israel?
Well, unfortunately, the film is always relevant. It has only one major statement, which is an anti-war statement, of course, and it is relevant now. And unfortunately, it was relevant 2 years ago when we were working on it. So this is how it is.
Can you envision a time when there'll be peace? in
Oh
that
yeah,
part
I'm
of the
very
world?
optimistic. Otherwise, I wouldn't have done this film. And I believe that it's all a matter of leadership, and the time will come. Both sides will have, clever leaders, and it will work out. I'm sure about it.
Would you repeat what you said in Hebrew and English?
Yeah, I was asked how do I feel, and I said how could I feel? I feel great, and.